Hey guys, welcome to Living with Francisco. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do an oil life reset on a Ford Super Duty after completing an oil change. By the way, if you could please like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And here we go. This process cannot be done in the off or accessory position. So the key must be turned to the on or run position. The engine does not have to be running for this. Once your instrument cluster display screen turns on, you'll want to select Settings, followed by Advanced Settings, Vehicle, and Oil Life Reset. Here, you'll be able to see the calculated percentage of oil life remaining. To reset, you'll just have to click and hold OK on your steering wheel control panel to reset back to 100%. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Stay safe and have a great day.